James here with Easy Liner. Today we're going to go over the startup and shutdown procedure for an Easy Liner paint striper equipped with a Kubota gas aux engine and an Infinity 100 Boss air compressor. Let's take a closer look. As always, we're going to start with the basic fluid inspection on the aux engine before we try and start it. We'll start by checking coolant through this top access port. There's coolant full to the top of the radiator neck. You always double check the hydraulic system before starting the unit. Verify that there's oil in the sight glass. This sight glass is a little bit low right now, but this unit is in testing. It is generally up closer to the case drain. And we make sure that the globe valve is open all the way, counterclockwise to open, clockwise to close. So this is fully open right now. Before we start the unit, we need to power everything on. First, the battery disconnect, followed by the main power switch. Key on power for the display and wait for it to boot up. Once the main screen is up, confirm that our hydraulic bypass is on, and we can go ahead and press the soft key under the start button. Now with the unit running, we're going to let it warm up. It's currently at 77 degrees room temperature. We're going to let it get up to 140 before we increase the RPM. We can go ahead and increase our RPM. I'm going to hit the rabbit button and hold it down, and it should increase to right around 2,000 RPM, which is standard running for this engine. Once we're up at 2,000 RPM, we can go ahead and cut off our hydraulic bypass, and we can turn on our air compressor. Once our air compressor is fully functioning and we're just over 100 psi on system pressure, we're ready to go stripe. Shutdown procedure on this. First, we're going to shut off our air compressor. That'll start blowing down. Next, we turn on our hydraulic bypass, and we're going to put it down into turtle mode, 1,000 RPMs, and we're going to let it idle there for at least about 30 seconds before we go through full shutdown. This unit's been idling for more than 30 seconds to allow everything to cool off without load. We can go ahead and hit the shut off button. Now that the engine is off, we can power off here, allow that to power down the rest of the way, and we'll go shut off the power. Main power off. This truck has an automated blowdown on the air tank, so it releases moisture when the power is shut off. Turn off our main disconnect here. That covers the startup and shutdown procedure for an Easy Liner paint striper with a Kubota engine and a Boss 100 CFM compressor. Thanks for joining us. Take it easy.